This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Hendricks. Beautiful home with 3-bedroom 2.5 bathroom, 2-car garage, 2,400 square feet on a cul-de-sa. Eat-in kitchen, living room, dining room, large den with gas fireplace, laundry room/home office. Large front porch and a beautifully landscaped backyard with a screened back porch. The floor plan of this home is perfect for family gatherings and entertaining. New roof in 2019, new hot water heater put in 2020. Kingston Elementary School right around the corner. Owner agent. For more information, review the details below.